Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account with PayU. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then type in payu.in in the address bar and press enter. This will then take you into the official PayU website. Now in order to create a new account, simply click on the sign up button at the top right corner and then you will be able to fill up the form. Now within the form, simply fill up your first and your last name and then enter your email address. Then type in your phone number followed by your company name and your company website. You can then select the business type from the drop-down menu. Then select your category and then enter your business PAN number. Finally, enter your monthly expected sales figures if you wish to do so. Then just click on the captcha box to verify your identity, and now you can click on the submit button and you will receive additional information to sign up and verify your account. Once you verify your account, you will be able to create your login credentials. After creating your login credentials, you can use that to log in to your newly created PayU account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with PayU. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.